In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Display and Brightness. Then select Fonts over here and tap on Free or Latest to find the perfect font style for you. When you find it, click on it, hit Download, and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default font style, go back to Display and Brightness, tap on Fonts, and select Me section to hit Default and tap on Apply at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!